Hey, to hide photos and the videos on the Redmi Note 13 Pro, we've got actually two methods. The first one, you can go into the gallery, then move to the albums, and when you click on the three dots in the right upper corner, you can find this option to hide albums, right here. But honestly, if someone actually finds this feature, we'll be able to find this hidden album. So this is actually not the best way to hide your sensitive photos, screenshots, or any videos, for example. So I will actually recommend you to go into the Google folder and open Google Files. So we can find it here. And this is definitely better place to hide some data because you can find the safe folder where you can actually set pin or the pattern. Let's create, for example, the pattern. Click next. That we got it. And now if you open, for example, your images, okay, now I've got nothing here, but when I go, I have to go into some storage and there will be pictures. So I just have to find my pictures right now. Okay, for some reason I cannot actually access this one. So I'm gonna view hidden. Okay, there it is. So now if I want to get it and hide it, I have to click on this, tap on the three dots, and then I have to select. First I have to set a restore because it was actually in the recycle bin. And now I have to click on this, tap here, and then tap to move to the safe folder. Input my pattern, and now as you can see, this photo is not visible anymore. So I can access the safe folder and find my hidden photos and videos in this place. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.